Hey everybody, this is Wendy at The Broken Needle, and today is part 2 on our series of quilting with rulers. If you missed part 1, the link is in the description below. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Spinning Wheel 36. This is one of the many designs that you can make with this template. First, we're going to use the crosshair ruler to get all set up. I like to use the sew line marking tool. I need to place a mark in the center, and then I need to mark at each crosshair intersection all the way around. And here we have the marks. On the template, there is a small hole in the center. We need to align that up with this mark. When we get to the machine, we will be starting at point A and traveling all the way around, stopping in the middle and down to point B. Next, we'll turn the template and align the mark on the template with the mark we drew. We will continue lining up and turning all the way around. First, I need to bring up the bobbin thread. Here we go. We're going to start at point A. Holding on to the template, I'm pushing it up against the ruler foot, traveling up to that mark that we made in the center, and stop for just a second. And then travel down, all the way down to point B, and stop. Now we're going to align this little mark on the template that looks like a leaf with the curve that we just made right here. All lined up and ready to go. We're going to do the exact same thing that we just did. Starting at point A, traveling up, stop right at the mark we made, and travel back down to point B. We continue doing this round and round until we're back where we began.